Introduction to algebraic substitution. Algebraic substitution involves replacing letters, known as variables, with their given numerical values within an expression. This process allows us to evaluate the expression and find its specific numerical outcome. For instance, if we have the expression x plus 5y and are given that x equals 7 and y equals 2, we replace x with 7 and y with 2. Variables are essentially placeholders for numbers, making algebraic expressions versatile for representing various situations. This concept is widely used in real-world formulas, such as calculating the area of a shape or determining interest in finance, where different values can be substituted to find specific results. When x equals 7 and y equals 2, the expression x plus 5y becomes 7 plus 5 times 2. It is crucial to remember that 5y means 5 multiplied by y. Therefore, 5 times 2 equals 10, making the expression 7 plus 10, which simplifies to 17. Understanding the order of operations, BIDMAS. When performing calculations involving multiple operations, it is essential to follow a specific order to ensure consistent and correct results. This order is commonly remembered by the acronym BIDMAS, which stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. BIDMAS dictates the priority of operations, meaning that operations within brackets are performed first, followed by indices, powers, then division and multiplication from left to right, and finally addition and subtraction from left to right. Failing to follow this order can lead to incorrect answers, a common pitfall in mathematics. Consider the expression 2 times 5 squared minus 14 plus 8. According to BIDMAS, we first solve the bracket. 14 plus 8 equals 22. Next, we address the index. 5 squared equals 25. The expression becomes 2 times 25 minus 22. Then multiplication. 2 times 25 equals 50. Finally, subtraction. 50 minus 22 equals 28. This systematic approach ensures accuracy. Substitution with negative numbers. When substituting negative numbers into an algebraic expression, it is extremely important to use brackets around the negative value. This practice helps to maintain the correct order of operations and prevents common errors, especially when dealing with multiplication or powers. For example, if we need to work out the value of 5x plus 1 when x equals negative 3, substituting directly without brackets might lead to confusion. By using brackets, the expression becomes 5 times negative 3 plus 1. This clearly indicates that 5 is multiplied by negative 3. Following BIDMAS, 5 times negative 3 equals negative 15. Then, adding 1 to negative 15 results in negative 14. Without brackets, one might mistakenly interpret 5 times negative 3 as 5 minus 3, leading to an incorrect calculation. This careful use of notation is a key skill for accuracy in algebra. Substitution with powers indices. When an algebraic expression includes terms with powers, also known as indices, these operations must be performed according to the BIDMAS rule, specifically after brackets but before multiplication or division. An index indicates how many times a number is multiplied by itself. For example, if we need to work out the value of 5p cubed when p equals 2, the first step after substitution is to calculate the power. Substituting p equals 2 gives us 5 times 2 cubed. Here 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 8. After calculating the index, the expression simplifies to 5 times 8. Finally, performing the multiplication gives us 40. It is a common mistake to multiply 5 by 2 first and cube the result, which would yield an incorrect answer of 5 times 2 cubed equals 10 cubed equals 1000. Always remember, indices before multiplication. Substitution with multiple variables. Algebraic expressions often involve more than one variable, requiring the substitution of multiple values simultaneously. The principle remains the same. Replace each letter with its corresponding numerical value. Then apply the order of operations. Consider the expression 3m plus 4n when m equals 5 and n equals -2. First, substitute both values. 3 multiplied by 5 plus 4 multiplied by -2. Notice the use of brackets for the negative number, n. Next, perform the multiplications. 3 times 5 equals 15, and 4 times -2 equals -8. The expression becomes 15 plus -8. Finally, adding a negative number is equivalent to subtraction, so 15 minus 8 equals 7. This demonstrates how multiple substitutions are handled systematically. Substitution in complex expressions. Substitution can also be applied to more complex algebraic expressions, including those with multiple sets of brackets or fractions. The key is to consistently apply BIDMAS, working from the innermost brackets outwards and treating the numerator and denominator of a fraction as separate expressions before dividing.
For an expression like 2x x minus 1 when x equals 11, first substitute x, 2 times 11 times 11 minus 1. Then solve the bracket, 11 minus 1 equals 10. The expression becomes 2 times 11 times 10. Finally, perform the multiplications from left to right. 2 times 11 equals 22. 22 times 10 equals 220.
When dealing with fractions, such as xw divided by x plus y, substitute all values into both the numerator and the denominator separately. Once both parts are simplified to single numbers, then perform the division. This ensures that the fraction is treated as a division problem, with implied brackets around the top and bottom. Avoiding common errors. Examiners frequently observe specific errors in substitution questions. A primary mistake is failing to use brackets when substituting negative numbers, which can lead to incorrect signs in multiplication or power calculations. Always enclose negative values in brackets immediately upon substitution. Another common pitfall is misapplying the order of operations, particularly regarding indices and multiplication. Remember that indices, powers, must always be calculated before any multiplication or division involving that term. For example, in 5p squared, calculate p squared first, then multiply by 5. To ensure accuracy, it is best practice to substitute all given values into the expression before performing any calculations. This helps visualize the entire problem and reduces the chance of missing an operation or misinterpreting the expression. You can multiply terms in any order once all indices and brackets are resolved, but initial substitution is key.